You're doing YouTube completely backwards and it's killing your channel before it even starts. I've analyzed thousands of failed channels, and they all make the same 5 deadly mistakes that I'm about to reveal. The biggest myth beginners believe is that you need perfect equipment to succeed. Wrong. Some of the most successful YouTubers started with their phone cameras and basic lighting. What actually matters is your content quality and how you connect with your audience. I've seen creators with $10,000 setups get 0 views because they focused on the wrong things. Here's mistake number 1 that's sabotaging your growth. You're trying to appeal to everyone instead of finding your specific audience. When you make content for everyone, you make content for no one. Successful YouTubers identify their niche and speak directly to those people. They understand their viewers' problems, desires, and language. Mistake number 2 will shock you because everyone does this wrong. You're optimizing for the algorithm instead of optimizing for humans. Yes, keywords and thumbnails matter, but if your content doesn't genuinely help or entertain people, no algorithm can save you. The algorithm rewards engagement, and engagement comes from creating content people actually want to watch. The third mistake is posting inconsistently and then wondering why growth is slow. YouTube rewards creators who show up regularly. But here's the twist most people miss. Consistency doesn't mean daily uploads. It means reliable quality and timing that your audience can depend on. Better to post weekly with great content than daily with mediocre videos. Mistake number 4 is the patience killer. You expect immediate results and give up too quickly. Most successful YouTubers took months or years to gain traction. The platform needs time to understand your content and find your audience. Every video is data that helps YouTube connect you with the right viewers. The 5th and most destructive mistake is copying other creators instead of developing your unique voice. Yes, learn from successful channels, but don't become a cheap imitation. Your personality and perspective are your competitive advantages. Authenticity resonates more than perfect replication. Here's what you should focus on instead. Create content that solves problems or entertains your specific audience. Develop a consistent posting schedule you can maintain. Invest time in understanding your analytics to see what works. Most importantly, stay patient and keep improving your craft. The creators who succeed aren't necessarily the most talented ones starting out. They're the ones who avoid these common pitfalls and focus on building genuine connections with their viewers. Your unique perspective combined with consistent value delivery will always beat fancy equipment and trending topics. Stop trying to game the system and start serving your audience. That's when real growth happens on YouTube.